Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Samsung A14 camera not focusing issue. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So to fix this issue, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and open apps. Now in apps, scroll down and here click on camera, and then force stop the camera app. Click on force stop and then click OK. And after that, scroll down and open camera storage. And then clear the app data and cache memory of camera. Now here click on delete, and after that go back and then open camera settings. Now here scroll down and click on reset settings, and then again click on reset to confirm.